Musa Khawula has once again stirred controversy on social media after exposing details about actress and socialite Teboho Tobajane's alleged boyfriend. According to the controversial blogger Musa Khawula, Teboho has been involved with a man named Tswanani from Limpopo who is reportedly married. Khawula claims that Teboho was cheating on businessman Ket Matlala with Tswanani. He further alleged that this love triangle may have played a role in the recent shooting incident involving Teboho Tobajane, which reportedly happened shortly after she attended the launch of her establishment. Khawula also made shocking financial claims, saying that while Ket Matlala allegedly paid around 50,000 for Teboho's swimming pool, Tswanani was reportedly contributing about 40,000 towards renovations at her home. The allegations have sparked heated reactions online, with many social media users debating the claims and questioning the complicated relationships involved. Thanks a lot for watching this video until the end. Please do consider leaving your thoughts down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video as well, and I will see you on my next upload.